All right, what we have here today on eBay, buy it now, is a new Cobra 29 LTD Chrome. Radio has been modified. It has a swing kit installed, and I use a capacitor and a resistor as a swing kit, which would be these. I use these in all my radios. Makes a good swing kit. Also, the Delta Tune is an echo board control, which this is your echo board that I use. It has a mounting bracket, so it's mounted nice and secure on the inside. Of course, this is your controls, which would be your Delta Tune. A radio's peak and tune for transmit and receive. Receive has been aligned. It picks up very well. Transmit, it'll dead key around 2 watts and swing a good 20 watts. Nice radio. Of course, you adjust the echo however you want it. Audio. Audio check. 1, 2. Hello. Audio. Nice radio. Nice, clean sounding. Very good receive. Audio check. 1, 2. Hello. Audio. You can control the talk back, turn it on or off, adjust it right there. Very nice radio, very strong. Makes somebody a good mobile unit or even a good base unit for that. It is what it is. Everything is new. Everything would pack really good, and I will ship next day. Enjoy.